All right, guys, we're in the kitchen here at Paracells where we got Matt.
What's up?
Baller-ass Spiro, and he's doing these ramen kits, and I want to show you guys what's inside it so you can pick one up.
Inside every kit, you will receive, first and foremost, instructions. It takes less than 5 minutes to put together once the water is boiling. Honestly, the longest thing is to take the water to a boil. But with that being said, we have our udon noodles, or ramen noodles, and then also a poached egg. So this egg is actually already cooked. You're just gonna heat it through for 2 minutes and then take it out. So it makes the cooking process a lot easier and faster. And then the heart of the sauce, we have our rendered bone marrow right there, as well as an allium puree. So that's garlic, shallot, onions, roasted, pureed, and then added with a little bit of soy sauce for the saltiness. And the last few things is the homemade chashu, which is a braised pork belly, which is braised in soy sauce, mirin, sake, and a little bit of brown sugar. And then finally we have our toppings. So I have green onions and sesame seed, green onions, alfalfa sprouts, and then our roasted nori that goes on top. Thanks, John.
First thing we're gonna do is use our $17 H-Mart butane gas stove. Love this thing. We do a lot of KBBQs on this. Gotta make sure you have your butane nice and full. From there, we're gonna make sure it's locked in place. Gonna turn it on. There we go. Boom, we are lit. Now, what we need to do is get our water from the sink, and throw it on. Now we have to wait for everything to boil. So since I don't have a microwave, we have the bone marrow here, and as you can see, it's hard as a rock. That's because it's been in the fridge. That is gonna get solidified if it's cold, so let's put it in here. We're just gonna let it warm up as the water warms up. All right, now that the water is boiling, this bone marrow, as you can see, is now liquefied as well. Liquid. I'll put that to the side. Now that the water's boiling, let's add our ramen. Now we're gonna have the timer set for 2 minutes. Then we're gonna take out the egg, and then we'll take out the noodles 1 minute after that. All right, it's been 2 minutes. Let's remove the egg. I'm turning it down a little bit just because it was about to boil over. All right, we are done. So now we can take our bowl. All right, now we can put that off to the side. And now let's turn this off. Now we want to grab our allium puree, our bone marrow, and the egg yolk, which we need to peel this guy first. All right, now we need to peel the egg. So I'm just gonna hit it a couple times up all the way around. Beautiful egg. All right, the next step is we gotta mix. Take the bone marrow, put it in. Ooh, look at that. Oh, the smell is phenomenal. Ooh, nice and thick. Allium puree. And that's what it looks like. Ooh, Man, the aromas are just insane. Let's dump that in as well. Now I'm gonna mix this up. Now we're gonna take our egg. Let me get this up close for you guys. Let's break it. Boom. Oh, leaky goodness right there. That yolk, magical. Okay, that looks good. Now, let's take the chasu. That was kind, get a couple extra slices for the homie. Here we go. Lay that on here. Oh my gosh. I'm getting super excited. The green onion and the alfalfa sprouts. Look at the color. Alfalfa there. Sprinkle these green onions. And last but not least, we take our nori. A couple here. This right here would be the finished product, but you know we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna add some of our own catch to this to make it even that much better. Let's add some uni, some fried fish, and some scallops. Here's our extra goodies. As you can see, we have a lot of uni, got some scallops, but now let's fry the fish. We did a dry aged calico, so let's get back our grill. Let's bring back our grill. All right, grill's back. We are on. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of avocado oil. And here you can see our dry aged calico that I shot. I gutted it and scaled it in the water after I measured it and let it dry age in the fridge for 3 days. Oh yeah. Look at that nice sear. All right, now that the fish is done, let's do a quick sear of our scallops. And there we have it. Make Ramen with a couple extra fixings, a little bit of uni, hand caught, some scallops hand caught, and a fried calico. Look at that crust. Well, thanks Matt for putting together that kit. It was super easy, and we're about to do a taste test right now. You can get one of these kits if you want. The description, I'll put a link to Matt's Instagram page, or you can DM him if you're in Southern California. I think both between San Diego and Santa Barbara, he'll help you out. Today, we're going to pair this Make Ramen with a not sponsored video by Lagunitas. Let's pour some of this goodness into my favorite Chargers mug. The only thing the Chargers are good at is holding my beer at this point. So, cheers to you guys. That's delicious. Now, moment of truth. Let's try this ramen. I don't even know how to say it. That chashu is delicious. Delicious. Let's try the sauce and the noodles. Very savory. Packs a lot of flavor. Here we go. We're gonna try our scallop. That's dangerous. That's good. That's so good. And then a little bit of our uni. I'm not the biggest fan of pairing uni by itself, so I'm gonna try it with a little bit of egg right here. These uni were red uni that I got up here north of LA. The purple uni, I say purple uni, the purple sea urchin. It seems like the last couple of years have just been wrecking the reef. We're talking like mass destruction. I know some of the guys up north in NorCal have been seeing this as well. and the urchin just kind of ravage everything, get the kelp away. We've taken away a lot of their predators. So, you know, if you guys have any idea on how we can kind of, you know, save the reef, eat uni kind of initiatives out there, let me know in the comments below, because it really is sad to kind of see this destruction over the last number of years. All right, let's put the ramen aside. Let's try this Calico real quick. Oh, nice and flaky. Oh yeah. Look at this. Let's get some of this crunchy skin. That's delicious. Also, wanted to let you guys know that I have a new shop. It's shop.castlesbear.com. I have this shirt and a couple others, and thanks to the guys who helped supported me when I did my soft launch last week. Really means a lot. And if you want one, I have a sale going on. Definitely check it out. So I've never really talked about why I kind of came up with this logo. It's inspired by the Japanese art of Gyutaku. There's a lot of good guys fishing for Gyutaku and Uncle Know You How, who are two artists that I really follow. And this is a tuna tail. There's something about Japanese art that ever since when I visited Japan a couple years ago that just like, you know, really kind of captivated me. The simplicity and the respect for the creature that, especially for Gyutaku, you're taking a print of what you caught. I can't think of a better way to kind of like pay tribute or homage to that fish or that creature than to take a print of it and then consume it. So Gyutaku, I really like it, and I kind of just want to share it with you guys. So that's why I came up with this, and now I'm selling some shirts. So all the proceeds help me kind of keep this channel going, so I really appreciate it. Well, I hope you liked this episode. Spear that like button if you did. Subscribe for more. I have other videos. If you want to see how I opened up this uni, check out this video, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya. So good. Big scallop. For the scallop, I love to just sear the each side for like 20-30 seconds and leave the middle a little bit raw. Just keeps it nice and it's not chewy and it's super flavorful. When you're out spearfishing, you can take one of these scallops, open it up in the water, and eat it and it tastes like candy. I tell this to everybody, but it really is like the best snack that you could ever have while you're spearfishing. Oh, so good. Save this piece for the wifey.